Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, we are discussing the kinematic equation of motion for uniformly accelerated motion of a body using the calculus method. Now we have discussed the two equations. The third one is how much the velocity attained by a body after traveling a distance is. That means we will calculate how much velocity a body will attain after traveling a distance s. As you know, dear students, in the previous class we know v is equal to dx by dt. What is an equation first? We know that velocity is equal to displacement divided by time, dx by dt. Now we will multiply and divide equation first by dv. Multiplying and dividing equation first by dv, we get v is equal to dx by dt. Now we will multiply by dv and divide by dv. dv and dv will cancel, it will remain dx by dt. Now dear student, it will become dx by dv into dv by dt. As dear student, we know since dv by dt is equal to a acceleration, therefore v is equal to a dx by dv. For dv by dt we have substituted a, there is a dx by dv. Now we will multiply this, it will become v dv is equal to a dx. v dv into a dx. Now dear students, we will integrate on both sides. So here I will write it as v dv is equal to a dx. Integrating on both sides, we get integral of v dv is equal to integral of a dx, or we will write integral of v dv because a is a constant. So it will become v square by 2 is equal to a as a x plus k, where k is the constant of integration. Mark this as equation second. Now dear students, when x is equal to 0, that is displacement is 0, v is equal to u. At that time the final velocity of the body is equal to the initial velocity. Therefore from equation second, k is equal, this is become 0, for v will substitute that, it will become u square by 2. Now we will substitute the value of k in equation second. Using value of k in equation second, we will now substitute the value of k in equation second. What we will get, I will write it here. It will become v square divided by 2 is equal to ax plus k. For k we will substitute u square by 2. It will become v square by 2 u square by 2 is equal to ax, or it will become v square minus u square is equal to 2ax. Now dear students, if x is equal to s, then v square minus u square is equal to 2a. For x we will substitute the s. Now look here, this is the third equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now we have obtained this equation by using the calculus method. This is the required expression. Now dear students, we have completed three equations. First, v is equal to u plus 80. Second is s is equal to ut plus 1 over 80 square. The third one is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Both we have completed graphically as well as by the calculus method. The next, inshallah, we will do in the next lecture. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.